Welcome to Alubihid, Misamis Oriental, a town with a story to tell. From ancient discoveries to Spanish-era structure, Alubihid is a home to cultural heritage that remind us of our rich past. Join me as we explore the Calumet Open Site and the Old Spanish Kiln and learn why these places are important to our history and identity. Albeit Misamis Oriental has important cultural heritage that shows its rich history. One heritage site is the Calumet Open Site, where archaeologists found old tools, pottery, and human burial. This proves that early people lived in Alubihid long ago and already had their own culture, way of life, and trade with other places. Another important site is the old Spanish kiln found in Alubihid Poblacion. It was built during Spanish time by Jesuit named Juan Costa, who was a friend of Dr. Jose Rizal. The kiln was used to make bricks for churches like Poblacion Church in Bohol. Today, it is the only remaining Spanish-era kiln in the town, making it very special and worth protecting. There are plans to register it with the National Historical Commission of the Philippines, or NHCP. Albeit Misamis Oriental is not just a place to live in, it is a home of history and culture. The Calumet Open Site and the Old Spanish Kiln all remind us that our town has meaningful past. It is our duty to value and protect this site to future generations. Will continue to learn from them. Our heritage is our identity and we must keep it alive.